Left hand side is normal beans, right hand side is the decaf beans.
Chocolate?
Hot chocolate, normal coffee, decaf coffee, hot chocolate. From the beginning, how to turn on, how to switch off the machine. There is a hidden button under there. You don't need to open the machine. So you press twice this button quickly. That's how you switch it off. It's basically like a computer needs to boot down.
Right.
Or boot up. Once you got this little red light here on, that's when the machine is standby. You can leave it like this, or you can completely power it down with this button. It takes about 20 minutes to heat up completely. So if you switch it off, give the machine 20 minutes to heat up. So in the morning, you just turn the switch back on and wait for the machine to boot up. It's now ready. Here are the drinks we have. All drink icon has a sub-menu, so if you press espresso, you're going to be single espresso, double espresso, single decaf, double decaf. Because the same goes to the other drinks: cappuccino, decaf cappuccino, flat white, decaf flat white. Other americano, you're going to see americano, decaf. So you just press the button, choose the other drinks, and the machine just makes it. You can't test it because you don't have coffee beans. Hot water comes from here, but I think you're going to use the hot water from that machine. Cleaning, which is how to use the machine is very simple. It's that simple. Just press the button, it does everything. Just make sure you have milk here. As long as you have milk here, you should be okay. End of the day, every day, end of the day, the machine must be cleaned with the cleaning tablet and with the milk cleaning solution. This is the dip tray for the machine. This is all plumbed in, so if you pull this out, a few drops of water is going to go on the table. Just end of the day, rinse this. That's it. Make sure it's not in, fully in. If it's not fully in, it's going to drip down on the table. Just make sure it's fully in. The machine will ask you after every 20 minutes to empty this ground drawer. All the used coffee goes here. So after every 20 drinks, the machine asks you to empty it. Doesn't matter how much is in there, empty it. Don't wait until it's full because there's no sensor in there. Just the machine counts after every 20 drinks to empty this. If you pull it out, it's not full, you put it back and you say yes, I did it, empty it. The machine keep making coffee and the coffee gonna go back to the machine. Problem. Pull it out, empty it, put it back. That's simple. Cleaning, every day, end of the day. You press this little triangle, top corner, you go to this water drop symbol, and we only do complete wash. We don't worry about the other short wash, quick wash. We do complete wash altogether. Complete wash means you're gonna wash the coffee system and the milk system together. Let's do it once so you can see it. You need one tablet. I'm not gonna put the tablet in because you don't need to do it right now. Before you put your tablet in, you get this brush and just gently push it down once or twice. Put the tablet in. I'm just gonna demonstrate. I'm not putting the tablet there, so you open the tablet, drop it there, and close it. Then the machine tells you what's the next step. Next step is our cleaning container. Put the cleaning container there. You got this cleaning solution. This is one dose. Just chuck it in there and squeeze it to fill it up for the next wash. Have I done this? Yes. Next step, the machine shows you to take the milk tube and put it in there. So we're going to take the milk tube from the milk container and just push it down there. Have I done this? Yes, I've done. there is a quick reminder to rinse this probably once a day or every 2 days and press. It's that simple, that's it. It takes about 10 minutes. You can't switch it off, you can't do anything, leave it there. Don't pull this away. If you pull this away for any reason, the machine will stop. Just give the machine 10 minutes to clean. Once the cycle is finished, all you need to do is pull back this one in the milk and the machine is ready in the morning to use it. Very, very easy, I think, and you just basically need to follow the instruction on the screen. That's simple. If you have only that much tablets, you need to order, because it's only 10 tablets. It's good for 10 days. So you need to order new, more cleaning solution from Ili or I'm not sure is their supplier. You can see the progress. The chocolate is almost finished, and the other is only just after. So it's 10 minutes, no much we can do. If after the cleaning you want to switch off the machine, you can flick the switch. If it's green, it means after the cleaning cycle the machine is good to standby. If it's red, the machine is going to be still on, basically.